Alright, now this is Captain Buff over here. We have my friend Seymour over here. We're gonna teach him how to shoot and to live and to survive in the wild. Now, we're stalking the black over here. Take a gander, take a gander. Oh! Take him! Oh, he's wounded! Go for the kill! Go for the kill! Oh, whoa! Woo! There you go now. I'm gonna strip you right now, boy. Hey, stop! Right. We're gonna take it all, man. Whew. This bear is a stubborn one. We gotta take his fur nice and quick. Woo! Now look at this. Great, beautiful black bear fur. Right off him, right off his back. He's got good meat too. Keep it in the freezer, you keep it forever, eat it forever. Now, Seymour, great job there. Beautiful kill. Look at this. Feel it, feel it. It's great. Alright, now, anybody need to come? Survive in the wilderness, caught by the old bear. Alright, we salute you.